what is new in InQI? Let's go through it one at a time. You have an enhanced AI component that is sitting on the left-hand side that is aware of the entire projects or within the projects themselves. A general AI engine that is AEC-aware, a code checker, and also a cost estimator. Next, if you are creating a project, what you can do now is, in addition of being able to zoom in and select or type in an address, you also have the function of an APN. Enter an APN number, select the state the property is in and the county, and it will find it. Another new thing that came out, this is one of the largest enhancements we have ever made, is the ability to go to a project and you have all the old stuff like the media and the binder and so forth. But when you click on the new editor, an entire new editor is available to you now. This editor has been developed to enable you to see every piece of the property from top down with a high resolution imagery. It will mark the defaults. For example, you see that there is a house, there is some trees. It will mark those defaults. Those layers are available within this area. You can enable any of these layers and you see what it finds on the ground. Furthermore, you can select one of these layers and move it around to match what you see on the ground, kind of align it with your property line or fence line to get a better accurate interface. If you would want to mark an area, let's say you would want to mark this driveway, this section of the driveway, now you have a whole number of new editing tools. So we go with Polygon, and if you do on this little drop down, you notice that there are different ways, right? So we go with Polygon, we mark it, and simply by tracing on the picture itself, now we have a new area. From this section, we'll select what it is. We'll say this is a hardscape, and we can give it a name. We call it top of driveway. And basically, just by doing that, we have enhanced our site plan information. There's a whole number of these different tools for building ADUs and pergolas and water features and so forth, which are in other videos that you can see. Another new enhancement that we have done here is that you can go through 3D view, and this 3D view is simply out of this world. You can see that we basically 3D model your entire area based on the latest imagery and the data on the ground. We have enhanced simulation of sun and shade and various other elements that are built into it. The measurement tools and everything else has been enhanced as well. Furthermore, in an export mode, when you click on export, you have multiple options and you have different paper sizes that you can enhance too. All these enhancements and more are part of the new release.